Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Equinox. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And memory settings are one of many features. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.